All right, I have a 2007 Ford F150 XLT with the 5.4 liter Triton motor in it. Have an issue that I cannot figure out. The truck currently has 239,232.5 miles, 54 degrees. Overall, everything seems to work all right, except for the display on the radio and, common issues and stuff for vehicles with this high mileage. Now, idle's fine. Throttle's up fine. Now, everything seems normal, seems good. Turns back to where it should be, idling fine. Now, if you go to stomp the throttle and put it to the floor, watch what it does. All the lights went off. Gauges are going crazy. Tach goes dead. Don't know what it is. It's got to be something electrical. People's told me grounds. I just really don't know, and I can't figure it out. See, lights get bright for a second, then everything goes away. Lights come on, idiot lights come on. Don't know what's causing it.